Hi there, I'm going to show you today how to create a materials list for a set of lessons or activity cards in Mathology so that you can print that out so you can purchase all of the or acquire all of the materials for one cluster of lessons. So you sign into your Mathology and then you're going to click on plan so that you can plan and find the activity cards that you want to collect together. You'll create a new plan. You could start with a blank one. So in this case, I'll start with grade 2 number. That will be the plan that I'm going to be working on. And in this plan, I could create different folders. So this is like in our kit, every divider is a new folder. So I'm going to change this name and call it grade 2 counting. And so this will be the folder for that one. Now, what I'll do is I have to find those activity cards that are in grade 2 counting. So I'll select a grade. I find grade 2. I want number. My cluster is going to be the counting cards. And it gives me all of the activities from the little books, the consult intervention activities, but I only want the activity cards. So if you notice, there's only 4 activity cards in this section. So if you open up your kit, you'll actually only see activities 1 to 4. Then I'll start dragging in the lessons. And it doesn't really matter the order now because I'm just going to be creating a full list. I can always reorder it with the arrows later. But here are the 4 lessons that I am putting together in my materials list. Now, once I have all of the lessons together, then I click on the 3 dots and I look at materials list. So these are all of the cards that you'll need. So student card 1, student card 4. If you notice, student card there is no student card 2 and 3 because it uses other materials. Here are the print materials that you'll be using, and as well any physical materials, base 10 blocks, linking cubes, or everything you need for that. What you could do is then print this out for you, or you can just do a copy paste if you want to send this into another document as well. Hopefully that helps you in creating a materials list for your cluster.